Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, the first day of June, June the 1st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. Man, was I wrong about this one. I'm going to show you which one I was wrong about. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. I got to show you this one. This is the one I was really wrong about, was AMRS. I was thinking it was going to really stall right around, if I show you on another time frame, maybe the weekly time frame. Yeah, it looked like it was, I thought maybe this 5 level here, it was going to really struggle to get through, and it just blasted right through it without, as I was talking about, watching it, maybe struggling to get through the 5 level, and it just absolutely blasted right through it. So anyway, I would still, that's still usually my premise about stocks trying to go through a whole number, especially the 5s, the 10s, the 15s. Those multiple of 5s can prove. In this particular case, obviously not. So I want to show you a couple of trades, and AESE, which is one from the AI. This is one I would have taken, and I say I would have taken, and you can see where the alert was. It was at 386, and it got all the way up pretty cleanly, almost up to 6. Problem is that I got this alert at 9:35, and if you're familiar with our program, you can put a sound alert. I can put a sound alert on the AI alerts, but I must have had a competing sound alert, maybe in my basic new highs and lows, right exactly at the same time. And of course, the AI has to pick which one to sound off on. And unfortunately, I missed this one. We were watching this in the pre-market. You can see this is one of those sporting. Well, what is it? Well, it's in the business associations, but it's a esports and entertainment company. A lot like GAN. GAN, which has had a tremendous run. There was another one. This is the one that I was hoping for. SLGG. I have to watch it tomorrow. See if it does anything. This is in the same, Super League Gaining. But getting back to the AESE. Yeah, unfortunately, I missed it. And so I thought, okay, SLGG, kind of the same deal. It had a big run at the end of Friday, and it was up at the beginning in the pre-market. And I thought, okay, maybe people who, like me, who didn't get into the AESE, this might give us a nice little trade. And I was waiting on it. Take a look at it on maybe a weekly chart. It's going to show you. Yeah, I was waiting on a break of 4. You can see that if it could have broken 4, it's had these topping tails, so it's not clean. But I thought maybe other traders, if they didn't get into AESE or they were deciding I'm getting out now, they might pile into this one, and it just didn't happen, at least not today. So I only have taken one trade today, but it was a really nice one. Let's show you what happened on that one. That's the GNSS, and I know certainly some people in the room were able to take this one. Waited on this one, got the alert. I think it was from my basic new highs and lows. And again, let's take a look at it on a weekly chart, see what it looks like. That's right. This. Now, I don't know if this is an IPO, but the bottom line is that, for all intents and purposes, these are all-time highs, okay? So there was no resistance. So let me get back to that 15-minute chart. And same sort of thing. Look at the volume that came in here, okay? So I ended up taking this trade right here at 523. It immediately went all the way up to 573. And I scrambled. I got rid of most of it I think it was some on the way up and most on the way down at 553. And then I was out the balance at 535. But that was like a incredibly quick trade that really paid off. I just had to watch it, and you hear me talk about it in the room all the time. You get a volume bar like this, you have to pay attention. And I have no idea if there was some news specifically that came out at this time. By the time you're going to read that news, this is over. So, sometimes you just have to act. And let me just check what the float is. Yeah, I mean, it's a 32 million float, so it's certainly not a huge float, and had some room. So anyway, that was the only trade I was able to take today. But certainly, we say in the room again, sometimes all you need is one good trade. And so on a percentage basis, and the time frame it took me to get in and out of that was just a great trade. All right, I want to get back into the room and see what's happening. So I'm going to bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is the link for the free room. I'm going to open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.